Welcome to our English learning video. Today, we're learning essential English words for the bathroom. Let's learn new words. Shower. Take a shower every morning. Now it's your turn to repeat it. Bath. She prefers a bath to relax after work. Now it's your turn to repeat it. Sink. The sink is full of dirty dishes. Now it's your turn to repeat it. Faucet. The faucet is leaking. We need to fix it. Now it's your turn to repeat it. Toilet. The toilet is in the corner of the bathroom. Now it's your turn to repeat it. Mirror. He looked at himself in the mirror before leaving. Now it's your turn to repeat it. Towel. Don't forget to bring a towel to the beach. Now it's your turn to repeat it. Soap. I need some soap to wash my hands. Now it's your turn to repeat it. Shampoo. Which shampoo do you use for your hair? Now it's your turn to repeat it. Conditioner. She always uses conditioner after shampooing her hair. Now it's your turn to repeat it. Toothbrush. I forgot my toothbrush at home. Now it's your turn to repeat it. Toothpaste. We're out of toothpaste. Can you buy some? Now it's your turn to repeat it. Hair dryer. She uses a hair dryer to dry her hair quickly. Now it's your turn to repeat it. Bathrobe. He wore a bathrobe after his shower. Now it's your turn to repeat it. Shower head. The shower head needs to be replaced. Now it's your turn to repeat it. Bath mat. The bath mat keeps the floor from getting wet. Now it's your turn to repeat it. Toilet paper? Could you pass me some toilet paper, please? Now it's your turn to repeat it. Loofah. I use a loofah to exfoliate my skin. Now it's your turn to repeat it. Shower curtain. The shower curtain is torn. We need a new one. Now it's your turn to repeat it. Razor. He bought a new razor for shaving. Now it's your turn to repeat it. Shaving cream. Don't forget to apply shaving cream before shaving. Now it's your turn to repeat it. Plunger. We use the plunger to unclog the toilet. Now it's your turn to repeat it. Hand soap. The hand soap smells like lavender. Now it's your turn to repeat it. Shower gel. This shower gel leaves my skin feeling soft. Now it's your turn to repeat it. Hairbrush. Her hairbrush is always clean and neat. Now it's your turn to repeat it. Nail clippers. I used nail clippers to trim my nails. Now it's your turn to repeat it. Toothpick. I used a toothpick after eating. Now it's your turn to repeat it. Toilet brush. The toilet brush is in the corner next to the toilet. Now it's your turn to repeat it. Soap dispenser. The soap dispenser is almost empty. Now it's your turn to repeat it. Water heater. The water heater isn't working properly. Now it's your turn to repeat it.